What's up, guys? So for today's shoot, we're gonna shoot in the mid sunlight. Right now the clock is 12:51. So I wanted to challenge myself a little bit. I've shot in the natural light before during this time for clients, but what about for portraiture work, for your portfolio, thing that you can promote? Hold on, truck. So I'm testing out my limits here, shooting in the mid sunlight and seeing if it can make it work. I'm gonna shoot all natural light, no flash for this session. I'm gonna show you the gear that I'm going to use. I'm gonna use a Canon 135 with a Sony a7 III. These are my options. The Sigma 35 EF mount. I'm gonna use an adapter. I might not use this today, but I have it here just in case. The Tamron 28-75 f2.8 and the Sony 85 1.8. And a drone just in case I want to do some B-roll. So all the gear that I use for this session, this photo shoot that you saw right there, is in the link below. If you want to purchase it, please use the link. It could help me as the channel so I can create more content for you guys and do what I love, you know, creating content for you and doing more photo shoots. So for this shoot, I have my friend model Ariani.
Hi.
You can give her a follow right there. Well, I'm not there. Let's put it right there. Or you can click on the link in the description, give her a follow, and give me a follow too on Instagram. And right now, I'm gonna switch everything to the GoPro view since I don't have somebody holding the camera, and let's get the video started. Alright guys, so here I'm using the sun as my main light, and you're gonna get some shadows, but it's doable here, so I'll be able to recover some of it. And in this situation right here coming up, it's around like 1 o'clock, 1:18, and you see her shadow there. So I'm able to raise up those shadows from the photo, so I can kind of expose from the background, but I'm still aiming for what I want to do. So obviously I can use flash and save my ass in this situation, or save my butt. But I just want to show, well, for those people that do not have the advantage with flash, that you can shoot in the mid sunlight. It's gonna be hot depending on the day, but you know, it's doable. Here I told us to switch to the pose. I liked what she was going for, so I accidentally underexposed and brought it up in post. Pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and see you on the next one.